Welcome to the Key Shapes series. In this first video, we'll explore half steps and whole steps and enharmonic tones and basic piano or keyboard note identification. There are three basic units of distance that we use in music between notes. A half step is the distance between two notes that are as close as possible to each other. Half steps can be black to white. Half steps can be white to black. Half steps can be white to white. A whole step is two half steps. Whole steps can be black to black. Whole steps can be white to white. Whole steps can be white to black. Whole steps can be black to white. When we consider all five types of accidentals, every pitch has at least two possible names. Enharmonic tones is what we call different names for a single pitch. Black notes share the names of white notes on either side. The two note names are enharmonic to each other, so F sharp and G flat are the same sound. The same is true for A sharp and B flat, D sharp and E flat, G sharp and A flat, C sharp and D flat. Even white notes have enharmonic tones. C can be called B sharp. E can be called F flat. B can be called C flat. And F can be called E sharp. Identify the distance between the following note pairs. B to C is a half step, of course. C to C sharp. D sharp to E. F sharp to G sharp. There's a whole step. G to A. E to F sharp. Each of the white notes has a letter name. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is the musical alphabet. Memorize the placement for each of the special notes. C is just to the left of any pair of black notes. F is just to the left of any group of three. D has dog ears. It's between any pair of black notes. Moving from left to right, the pitch goes up, and the note names go forwards alphabetically. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. They just keep going on that way. The scale that uses all 12 notes is called a chromatic scale. Chromatic scale sounds like this. The piano has repeating sets of 12-note groups. Within each group, 7 of the notes are white and 5 are black. An octave is the distance from any note, up or down, to the next note of the same name. It's helpful to learn the note locations on the piano because the notes on the piano are the only notes used by any instrument in what we call Western music. Most of the music you hear, and the names and sequences of all notes on the piano are the same for any music, any instruments that we play in band or orchestra. It's important to memorize the notes locations on the keyboard for all notes. Reminder here, C is to the left of the group of 2. F is to the left of each trio of black notes. Left to right is up in pitch and forwards in the alphabet. Now that you've come this far, let's look at what to do next. Thank you for learning half steps and whole steps, enharmonic tones, and beginning keyboard note identification. Feel free to review this video as needed and to ask your teacher any questions you have. See you next time.